Okay, you're welcome. This is Joad, and then in this video, I'll quickly take you through how to create your ebook on your smartphone. How you can successfully create your ebook on your very smartphone. So, and then you go to Play Store and then you download this particular app, Office, Microsoft Office. So, let's see how to do that. You click on your Play Store, Google Play Store, and then you search for Microsoft Office, not Microsoft Word. So this is it, Microsoft Office. The Microsoft Word, this particular one, will work, but preferably let's go with Microsoft Office, and then there's a reason for that. So once you click on install and then you click on Office, open, so that it will open. So once it's open up, okay, get started. There are so many features. There are so many features on it. So here you can decide to skip and sign in later, or you sign in now, being the first time of opening the app. So what you do now is that you see this plus sign here. You just click on the plus sign. You see notes, you see scan, you see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, forms. So if you go with this Word, Microsoft Word only, you will only be restricted to Microsoft Word. But downloading the Office, it's like the compartment of it all. So now you see inside the Office, you see the Word. You'll be able to use the Word, you'll be able to use the Excel, the PowerPoints, and the rest of it. So that is why it's good for you to download this one instead of the Word. So now let's click on the Office, Microsoft Word. Now you see scan text, dictate, blank document, create from template. But since we'll be creating our ebook from scratch, so it will be great if you go with blank document. So blank document, it will open up for us, and then we can start to create our book. Now you see we gave your file a placeholder name. You tap here to rename it. That is where your name, that is the title of the document, that's where you put that. So this is the interface for us. So the next thing for you to do is to start typing, and then your title should go first, right? Your title should go first. Well, now talking about your title should go first, this is what you ought to do before you create your own ebook. There are several ebooks that you've read right on this online space. So what you do is that you check other people's ebook, check professional ebook, see how it's written before you go ahead and write yours. So go ahead and then look out for professional ebooks, and then just try to check out for the way the ebooks, the format, and everything, how it is written, so that you'll be able to create something good and something great. All right, so that is that about that. So you continue to type here. You type. So as you type, you feel that okay, this thing is not showing me the number of pages I've worked on so far. Don't worry, you get to see that. So now let's type something. We've written title. So then if you click on this arrow, underneath this mic. So you see bold. If you want to bolden your text, you see highlight, font color, clear formatting. That is, if you want to clear all the formatting, all the beautification that you've given to your text so far. Then if you want your text to be at the middle, you can see, check the arrow here. Let me use this text as example. You see it's on the far left now. You see it's highlighting the left, align left. So now if you want to align it to the center, just click on center, you see, then align right, then the justification is there. So now we'll go with the align left. Styles. So these are just some of the features on this page. Now if you want to change the font size, you see 11 here. You just click on it and then you scroll down and then you choose the 72. Depends on the size that you want to work with at that point in time. So now you see bold. If you want to bolden your text, if you want to make it italic, if you want to underline your text, so this is it. Now if you want to change the font style, just click on this calibrate. Then you can scroll down. You see different fonts. So those are the fonts that you can make use of in your ebook. Now if you click on this home, you see home, insert, draw, layout, review, and view. Now this one we are creating right now. It's like creating the inner of an ebook, right? So now if you want to put the ebook cover, so just click on insert, this first one, insert. So you click on insert, so it will take you to where you insert an attachment. So then you can go ahead to the folder where you have your design, ebook cover design located, and then you can just simply add it from there, and then that one will be done. So and then the next thing I forgot to talk about this other time is the font color. So you see, click on this arrow, still save arrow under this mic. So you see font color, you can add it here or you add it here, still the same thing, font color. These are just the shortcuts to it. Now let me quickly show you another thing. If you want to start typing, so let's say your title goes there, and then you say, so the title of our book is How to Make Money Online. Okay, let me erase this. How to make money online. So we won't put it this way. It won't be this straight. It won't be on a straight line. So how to make money online. And then this one will come down. So now we'll make it centralized, right? Everything will be at the center. Put it here. Then we can increase the fonts from here. You increase it. You bolden it, and then you change the font being the heading or the title, anyone. This one now is the title, right? So you can decide to come down here and then give it space, that is line spacing. Now when you want to start typing, you already know what you want to write, right? Or like what you want to create. But another tip is that before you create your ebook, you should have your pen and paper. What you've written before, you should have some things like some outlines that you want to write on. You should already have those things. Not that when you want to write, that's when you start to think about contents to put in your book. It will take you time. So you should have those things mapped out already. Their outlines, brief things that you want to talk about in your ebook, so that once you start typing, it will flow. It will flow, and then it will make your work to be very, very fast. So now let me show you another feature here, and the feature is that instead of me typing like this, let me take this one back to left so that I can start typing. So I say, okay, let me change the font. Let me change it back to the Calibri, and then remove it from bold. Change the font size to 11. So now I say making money online is. So now this is a feature I want to show you. So instead of me typing it this way, I can easily use this mic. You see, switch to dictate keyboard. So instead of me typing, I can just click on this mic and then I start to speak it. Now if I start to speak it, you won't hear anything in the record because I'll be making use of this mic. So but that is the option for you. So when you're writing yours, you can equally do that as well. Now let's come up here and then we'll click on this option, and then you see what's here, this three dots. Now that is where you see share as PDF, save as, read cloud, headings, dash 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 dash. So now if you want to save, you just save as. But before you save as, this is what happened just now. This is where to know the number of pages you've worked on so far, and this is like giving you the zoom out view, like 100% view of how your book will look like. This like page view. You see where I'm clicking on right now, so just tap it. You see mobile view, and then if you click on it again, you see print layout. So this print layout is how your book will come out. That is how you can see the how to make money online looks so small now, right? So but initially it was looking very big. So don't let those things confuse you when you are writing yours. So make use of both the views, both the print layout and then the mobile view. Mobile view is for you to zoom in so that you'll be able to see what you are working on. You'll be able to see it clearly. So imagine me typing making money online is dash dash dash, and then I'm using this kind of view. Like it will look so small to me, it will look somehow. So but this is how to work on it. So now let's assume, or let's say I've been able to, okay, let me pause the video and then I'll come back. Okay, so now you see I have a lot of content on this particular topic now. So you see a lot of things. So now let's say I want to start formatting this book, and let me tell you one thing: when you're writing your ebook, when you're typing, don't try to make it perfect at a go. No, just type everything out, speak it out, type everything out first. So when you are like almost done, or when you are done, you come back and then you start to edit. That's when you start to edit. You don't type and then start to edit it. Once you are typing, you are editing, you are typing, you are editing. No, it will be very, very strenuous that way. So just type it first. Even when there is an error, just do everything first, then you come back later and then you edit it. Sometimes the inspiration will be flowing and then you'll be typing, you'll be writing it. But if you stop to edit, that inspiration may actually go away at that point. So now let's say I have this already. So and I want this one to be my title. So what I'll do is just to bring this one down. I'm tapping my enter button. So tap this one down. So now I'm seeing, you can see it looks so small. So now you just highlight this one. You highlight this one, and then you make it big. You simply increase the font. You simply increase the font. That's what you do. So once you increase the font, and that is it. So just tap on this your mobile view and then the print layout, so you'll be able to see it. Now you can see how it looks like. So you can still come up here and then bring it down. That's why I said check out for professional ebooks, so you know how it is written, so you can then model that. That one will serve as your guide. You don't just start to do something from your head. So that is just that about this. Then lastly, that I'll talking about concerning this, lastly that I'll be talking about concerning how to create ebook is that you need to number your page, right? So if you check some ebooks, or virtually all ebooks, you see that there is page numbering. There's usually page numbering, but on this one there's no page numbering. So what you do in order to get that, come to this same home, just tap on it. You see this same insert, click on insert. So from the insert you see blank page, scan documents, table, pictures, shapes, text box, and the rest. So now if you want to insert picture, where I talked about you inserting your book cover, you do it under this picture. So now, and if it is shape, you do it under shape. You have a lot of options. Now you come to page numbering. That's what we are coming to. You see page number, then you click on page number, and then you see how that is the format that you want your page numbering to look like. So just include page count. So if you click on include page count, you see 1 2 3, then the hyphen, if it is the hyphen kind of numbering that you want. But we're just going with something very simple. Just click on 1 2 3, and then you go back. So then you choose a format. You see the format. Do you want it to be at the top right corner, or the center at the top, or top right, top left, or top right there, or is it bottom that you want it? Just click on any style that you want. So now you can see it, page 1 of 4. That is because you are seeing that because we selected this option. Let me show you. Page 1 of 4. Include page count. So if you click on remove page count like this, include page count, that's when you are seeing, just focus on the page number, you are seeing just 1, right? Now if I click on this, you can see page 1 of 4. So that is the essence of this include page count. Then if you want to add header to your ebook, that is maybe you want to put a name, maybe somewhere here, somewhere top right corner here. So maybe you want to include your or the title of the book, for example, how to make money online. You want the how to make money online to be somewhere around the top right corner there. You can simply add that to it, and then you type in what you want. If it is header or footer, header will be at the top, while the footer will be at the bottom side. And that's so when you are done. So here as well, under view, you can also view your page here, your mobile view or print layout, or anyone you want. You can see it here, but the short form is just the one to tap from your screen here. So once you are done, you can see, let me take this one off. Once you are done, you can go ahead and save. You can go ahead and save. Make sure you make your ebook to look very, very professional. All right, so then you go ahead and then you save as. Click on the save as, then you can click on this bottom side, you put the title there, how to make money online. So that is that. Then you can click on device or browse. That is, those are options, the places where you want to save. If you click on browse, you see you sign in with a subscription account to save to this file. You can sign in, or you can just save to device. which is the first option, save to device. Let's wait for it to come up. Okay, so now we are seeing documents, download, storage. That is, where do you want it to save? Now we want it to save under documents. You click on it and then you click on save. So it has successfully saved under documents. It has saved under documents like that as a Word file, that is Microsoft Word file. Now you can also click on it, these three dots, and then you say share as PDF. Ebook mostly they are in PDF format, right? So you can share it with someone, maybe on WhatsApp or using your Gmail or anything. So to share to them as PDF, not a Word document. All right. So now you can mark it from this top right corner, that is you are done. Just click on this mark button. So now you can go back. So now let's open the app again, Office. So now you can say how to make money online. How to make money online. So what you do now is you click on these three dots. You can see the one that I clicked on. Let me do it again. These three dots here. You click on it and then you come to convert to PDF. We don't want our ebook to be in Word format. We want it in PDF format. We don't want it to be in Microsoft Word format, but in PDF. So now you convert to PDF. You convert into PDF. So to convert to PDF now. So this is how your ebook will now look like at the end of the day. So we didn't insert any book cover right now, so that's why you're seeing it this way. But this is how your ebook will look like at the end of the day. So but you need to include your book cover design. So this is how to finally create your ebook on your smartphone. So you can start to share this from here. You can share it, and then if you want to launch it, you can launch it and then make your money. All right.